This condition, called fatty liver, affects millions worldwide. The liver is the only organ in the body to regenerate itself by replacing old, damaged cells with new ones. But did you know that the liver can accumulate fat over time and become damaged? The liver is responsible for many essential functions, such as detoxification, metabolism, storage of nutrients, blood sugar regulation, regeneration, hormone production, protein synthesis, and bile production. Fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common, affecting over 100 million Americans. Various factors contribute to this condition, such as alcohol consumption, poor diet, obesity, and diabetes. Many people are unaware that they have a fatty liver, which is a deadly condition. It's usually detected through an ultrasound or a CT scan, shocking people. Therefore, it's crucial to understand the liver's significance and learn how to remove fat. We will help you achieve this by sharing the best foods and drinks to remove fat from your liver and keep you healthy. You will discover ingredients you can use to make one drink that can help get rid of fat in the liver faster. But first, why is the liver so important? The liver is a vital organ in the body. It's responsible for filtering harmful toxins and waste products from the bloodstream. It also plays a crucial role in regulating the body's metabolism by producing and storing glucose, lipids, and amino acids. Additionally, the liver helps to remove excess hormones, cholesterol, and drugs from the body. The liver helps to maintain a steady supply of glucose, sugar, in the bloodstream by storing excess glucose as glycogen and releasing it into the bloodstream when needed. It also converts amino acids into glucose when the body needs more energy. The liver also keeps essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron and vitamin D. It releases these nutrients into the bloodstream to help maintain proper bodily functions. It also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Another essential function of the liver is to produce bile, which is necessary to digest fats. Bile is a greenish-yellow liquid that the body makes and stores in the gallbladder. It helps to digest fats and abso-essential nutrients from food and eliminate waste and toxins from the body. Think of it like a superhero that helps the stomach and intestines do their job properly. The liver stores bile in the gallbladder until it is needed in the small intestine. This process allows the body to efficiently break down and absorb the nutrients from the food we eat. Understanding the significance of bile can help us appreciate the liver's functions even more. Bile helps the enzyme lipase, which aids digestion, to do its job. Without enough bile, the enzyme cannot do its job, and when this happens, we don't get vitamins like A, E, D, and K. A lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness. Vitamin E deficiency can create more inflammation in the heart. Lack of vitamin D is a massive problem because it's needed for getting rid of pain, decreasing blood pressure, and formation of calcium in the bones. Finally, vitamin K deficiency leads to poor blood clotting. So you see how vital bile is to the liver and body generally. Without a healthy liver, we would experience a range of health problems. Phew! The liver sure has a lot of work to do. Come on, let's find out some symptoms because early detection is the key to healing. Symptoms of a fatty liver can be subtle at first, but over time they can progress to serious health problems like cirrhosis and liver failure. Some common signs of a fatty liver include fatigue, weight gain, and abdominal pain. If you are diagnosed with gallstones, there is likely an underlying issue with your liver. The liver is responsible for producing bile, which is crucial for the digestion and absorption of fats. Therefore, a deficiency in bile production and a high cholesterol level in the liver can lead to the formation of gallstones. Fatty liver disease can have severe consequences if left untreated. As the liver disease progresses, symptoms may become more apparent, indicating liver damage. Let's closely examine some of the signs to watch out for. Jaundice is a common symptom of liver damage caused by a yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes. This occurs when the liver cannot process bilirubin, a waste product produced when old red blood cells break down. Swelling of the legs and ankles is another symptom of liver dysfunction. This occurs when fluid builds up in the body due to decreased protein production by the liver. Mental confusion or trouble concentrating can be a sign of liver damage. The liver plays a key role in filtering toxins from the blood, and when it's not functioning properly, it can affect cognitive function. Easy bruising or bleeding is a common symptom of liver disease. The liver produces clotting factors, and when it's damaged, bleeding and bruising can occur more easily. Spider veins, or small spider-like veins on the skin, can indicate liver disease. These occur when blood flow through the liver is obstructed, causing blood to back into smaller blood vessels. It's important to note that some of these symptoms may not appear until the liver damage has progressed significantly. That's why it's crucial to get regular checkups and to take steps to maintain a healthy liver. Love your liver. Take this advice. Luckily, there are many things you can do to keep your liver healthy and get rid of fat in the liver. One of the best ways to remove fat from the liver is through your diet. The best foods to eat for a healthy liver include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. These veggies are packed with nutrients that can help support liver function and reduce inflammation. Next are the leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are loaded with antioxidants that can help protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Garlic. This contains compounds that can help activate liver enzymes and flush out toxins. Then we have mushrooms, which are also a powerful food for liver health. They contain beta-glucans that can help reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Avocados are high in healthy fats that help lower cholesterol levels and support a healthy liver. Consuming an avocado a week can significantly enhance liver function. Avocados have potent anti-inflammatory properties, and inflammation in the liver can cause numerous problems, such as hepatitis, fatty liver, and cirrhosis. Therefore, any food that can reduce inflammation is beneficial for liver health. Beets contain betaine, a nutrient that can help reduce inflammation and protect against liver damage. Turmeric is a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support liver health. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which can help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from damage. All these foods are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help support liver function. In addition to vegetables, there are also certain drinks that can help remove fat from the liver. One of the best drinks for a healthy liver is green tea. This beverage is packed with antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage and help eliminate excess fat. The antioxidants in green tea, known as catechins, have been known to improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Green tea also contains an antioxidant called EGCG, which has been found to reduce liver inflammation and prevent liver damage caused by toxins. Coffee is another beverage that can be beneficial to the liver. Several studies have found that regular coffee consumption can reduce the risk of liver disease, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. The caffeine in coffee is believed to help reduce liver inflammation and lower the risk of liver damage because of toxins. Another liver-friendly drink is the bright red beetroot juice made from beets. Beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants and nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the liver and reduce inflammation. A study on rats found that beetroot juice could reduce liver fat and liver damage caused by alcohol consumption. Turmeric juice, made from the spice of turmeric, is another beverage that can benefit the liver. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been shown to reduce liver inflammation and liver fat. Next is the commonly known olive oil. Olive oil contains healthy fats that can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Extra virgin olive oil has numerous health benefits, including its ability to reduce fat accumulation in the liver, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce insulin resistance. Additionally, it is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet can lead to significant improvements in overall health and well-being. Be sure to have those on your grocery list. However, it's not just about what you eat and drink. It's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. As promised, here is a great shake that can help keep fat off the liver. The first ingredient in this shake is frozen kale. Kale is a nutritious powerhouse packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. The second ingredient is frozen blueberries, which can help protect the liver from oxidative stress. The third ingredient is water, essential for hydration and helps the body flush out toxins. And the final ingredient is whole milk kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy product that contains probiotics, which can help improve gut health and reduce fat in the liver. Get 2 cups of kale, frozen, 1 cup of blueberries, frozen, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of plain whole milk kefir, organic and grass-fed if possible. To make this shake, simply blend all ingredients together for a few seconds until well blended. Drink it once daily with a healthy keto diet and intermittent fasting. By incorporating this shake into your routine, you can protect your liver and successfully get rid of fat from your liver and have a healthier body. Why not give it a try today? Your liver will thank you.